Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. If you want to add full reel on Instagram story, then this video is for you. Watch complete video to learn how to add full reel on Instagram story. In this video, I am going to show you how to do this. First of all, open Instagram app from your mobile phone. Click on reels icon in the bottom. Now choose send icon on the right side. You can add reel to your story by clicking on add reel to your story option. But if your reel is too lengthy, then this is unable to upload full reel. To upload full reel on your story, click on three dots on right side and choose link option to copy the link. Now you have to go back and open the Google from your mobile phone. Here you have to search out download Instagram reel. Open the first website of your search result. Here you have to paste the link and click on download. After download you can upload full reel on your Instagram story. This is the easy and simple way to upload full reel on Instagram story. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe our Let Me Guide channel and press bell icon to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.